show you are run by the European Space Agency, and I am the only civilian that they invited on this flight. The plane that I'm getting on is divided into two big sections. This area at the front is for all of the experiments, and then in the back they have this normal plane seating. After we take off, the plane follows a path that looks like this, with this steep climb where you feel squished to the floor like you're experiencing double gravity. And then, as the plane reaches this point and then dives, you feel completely weightless for about 22 seconds. Oh my God. All of my thoughts just left my head. I feel this is amazing. The plane does this over and over and over again, 31 times. And during these little moments of zero gravity, all of the scientists quickly run to do their experiments, and then they stop once the plane flattens out again and gravity returns to normal. It's like a big game of red light, green light, but with gravity. Each of the experiments get their own section in the plane, and each of them blew my mind in their own way. Starting with